I got one, folks. Don't know what I got, but I got one. It's like a little white trout. No, it's a tiny redfish. That's a baby redfish. Much too small to keep. That's what we're after, though. But a little bit bigger. Come on. First redfish I've caught in this boat. That's awesome. Caught him right under that tree. And all I did was just throw it out there and reel it back in. You gotta love a dog. Seriously, you really gotta love a dog. Brand new dock, folks. It's really nice. There's a new neighborhood going in. Not really a neighborhood, but a new cul-de-sac. It's a small neighborhood, I guess you could say, going in over here. And I guess this is going to be a community area. Maybe they're going to put a little park in here and whatever. Be nice if they built a nice little boat ramp. But they got a nice dock, that's for sure. Actually, it's probably going to be private now that I get a better look at it. There's a place for a wave runner over there. And here's a bay for a larger boat. So it's probably a private lot. I don't know. I have to see. Sure is nice though. Folks, right on the other side of that bridge right there, or whatever you want to call it, is my lake. Right through those trees is my lake. I don't know if I'm recording or not. I guess I am. Folks, I'm doing some bass fishing out here. I'm up in the creek. Done had one bite. See if I can get another one. Just got a plastic worm on here. Current's moving pretty good, so I may not have too much luck with this worm because it's floating right along with the current. Of course, I did have one bite, so you never know. Be back when I catch something. Folks, I've parked the boat. I got the anchor out. I'm in the damn creek, and I made me a drink. I'm looking for Bigfoot. Listening to the music. Got Bluetooth going off my phone. Ain't catching nothing, but you know how that goes.
Smoke a little train, stack another load. I'm a slick hit.
Folks, here I am back in my original spot, but I'm using different bait. This time I'm using something that floats. Using one of these things. Got rattles inside of it. And I figured if I fish around these crab pots, redfish eat crabs. And I eat redfish. So this might be a good spot to fish. And we'll see. Be right back. Getting dark, folks. Got to go. Well, folks, my battery's dead. Can't start up. I'm going to paddle over here to the beach. And I'm going to sit there for a while. And maybe my battery will come back up enough to start this engine. By then it's going to be dark and yeah. I'll be buying another battery. I'm going to have two in here. That's right. And maybe even a solar panel to charge the one that's on. Whatever. Folks, I ain't too sure, but I believe I can probably hook a string around the top of my motor and pull it so much off by hand. That's my plan. I've taken the string off of my trolling motor, and I'm going to see if I can't. I'm going to take the cover off of that and see what's up. It fucking worked. I got the goddamn. I pulled on it about 20 times. Motherfucker's working. I'm going home.